Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all a New Year Eve makeup look. I have tried to create a smoky eyes makeup look which is perfect for the New Year Eve, and if you want to know how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching this video till end. So let's begin with the tutorial. So first I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm going to use this Pond's Light Moisturizer. As my skin has an oily texture, this moisturizer is just perfect for my skin type, and apply it all over my face and neck area. So first I'm using this concealer from Wet n Wild. It's in shade medium deep tan. Before I begin with my entire face makeup, I'm just going to complete my eye look first, and for that I'm concealing my eyelids and under my eyes, and then I'm going to just set this concealer with the help of an compact powder, and that compact powder is from Maybelline and it's in shade 330. So first I'm going to select these two shades from Nicka K Autumn Spice palette, and I'm going to mix these two shades together. With the help of blending brush, I'm going to apply it on my outer V, and I will be blending it more on my crease area. So to get more smoky look, I'm just blending this color really well, and this is going to be a transition shade. Now I'm selecting this black color from the Blowout palette from Beauty People, and I'm just going to place it on my outer V of my eyes with the help of a small brush, and then I'm going to blend this really well with the previous shade with the help of the fluffy blending brush. So over here I'm going to just blend the color really well to get a nice smoky kind of look. So from the same Autumn Spice palette, I'm going to select this shimmer shade, and I'm going to take it with my fingertips, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids with help of my finger by just dabbing it on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend this color with the previous shade to prevent any harsh lines. Again from the same Blowout palette, I'm going to select the same black shade, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use eyebrow pencil from Miniso, and I'm just going to fill the empty spaces in my eyebrows with help of this pencil, and then I'm going to use the powder side of this eyebrow pencil and just dab it all over my eyebrows so that there are no empty spaces and I get perfect eyebrow. So for mascara, I'm going to use this mascara from Beauty People, Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. I'm going to apply this mascara on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. This is actually really good mascara, and if you want to know more about this product and the brand, you can check my detailed video that I've provided on this brand. I'll provide the link in the description box and also in the I button. So moving towards my face makeup, I'm going to begin with applying foundation from Sugar. It's a serum based foundation in shade 50, and applying it all over my face and neck area. So again I'm using the concealer from Wet n Wild and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm just going to use a compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me in shade 330, and I'm applying it all over my face and neck area. For my blush, I'm going to use this blush from Show Cosmetic in shade Peach Peak and applying it on the apples of my cheek. For today's highlighter, I'm going to again use from Sure Cosmetic in shade 01 Champagne Champion, and I'm just going to highlight high points of my face. So for my lips, I'm going to use this sensational liquid matte lipstick from Maybelline in shade 11.
Sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse than in.
So that was all for my today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you like it, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. So see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.